This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Booker. Beautiful Cypress model located on backside of the golf course and canal. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths and a den. The kitchen has been beautifully updated with quartz and all stainless steel appliances that are only 2 years old. Other features include all accordion shutters, built-ins in the master closet and large neutral tile on the diagonal throughout the living areas. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer Booker at 561-500-0102.